Daniel was 16, he saw his mother cry over a bill she couldn't pay. Not because she didn't work hard, but because no one ever taught her how to make money work for her. He started a part-time job after school, earning just $5 a day. His friends laughed when he said, "I'll invest $1 every day." He skipped sodas, he skipped fries, he saved $1 every single day. While others spent their dollars, Daniel invested his. And slowly, his $1 began to grow. $5,000, $10,000, then $17,000 in just 10 years. That dollar didn't just grow. It taught him discipline. It gave him freedom. It gave him hope. You don't need a rich family. You don't need luck. You just need to start. $1, one habit, one decision. And one day, you'll thank yourself. Start today. Start small, but as you start. See description for ways to invest just $1 a day.